Meet the vowels A, E, I, O, U. Hey friends! So in today's episode, let us learn some exciting knowledge about vowels. First letter is A. C-A-T, cat. C-A-N, can. P-A-N, pen. M-A-N, man. M-A-T, mat. Second vowel is E. And the words are B-E-D, bat. Y-E-S, yes. W-E-T, wet. M-E-N, man. P-E-N, pen. And the next letter is I. T-I-N, tin. Z-I-P, zip. P-I-N, pin. B-I-G, big. Next vowel letter is O. C-O-T, cot. F-O-X, fox. D-O-G, dog. B-O-X, box. P-O-T, pot. And the next vowel letter is U. B-U-N, bun. B-U-T, but. S-U-N, sun. G-U-N, gun. N-U-T, nut. Here's some short and long vowels. Now let's learn together the sounds of short and long vowels. First of all, vowel A, short sound, apple, cat. And the long sound is cake, bake. Vowel E, short sound, jet, net. And the long sound, feet, leaf. Vowel I, fish, pig. Kite, ice cream. Vowel O, short sound, clock, dog. And the long sound, rock, boat. Vowel U, short sound, sun, jump. And the long sound, hey friends, now it's quiz time. Short and long vowel quiz. Fill in the missing long vowel to make the complete word. And the first is B, B-E-E, B. F-A-C-E, face. R-A-I-L, rail. M-A-I-L, male. E-A-S-T, east. G-O-A-T, goat. T-R-E-E, tree. So next, fill in the short vowels to make a complete word. Aunt, A-N-T, aunt. F-I-N, fin. M-A-S-K, mask. G-R-A-S-S, grass. C-U-B, cup. P-L-A-N-T, plant. K-I-N-G, king. E-double-G, egg. F-R-O-G, frog.